Our first step will be to hold the suspension in neutral position. This is how the steering behaves when the rocker screw is screwed too much. We need to slightly loosen this screw. Now the steering moves smoothly, while having no backlash. To connect the servo arm with the servo, we need to start by connecting the battery to bring the servo into zero position. Now we need to turn on the model and the radio. Set the wheel hubs as straight as you can, as this will affect the handling of your model. Minor adjustments can be made later on your controller. Now push the servo arm into the servo axle. Make sure the wheel hubs are positioned correctly. Screw in the screw, which holds the servo arm. Done. You can now turn off the model, radio and disconnect the battery. Now we will install the shock absorber. Place one spacer on the screw. Put the screw through the shock absorber and place the second spacer. In the current updated version, you will find more holes for attaching the shock absorber. The nominal hole is marked as 0. Screw the shock absorber into the nominal hole. The ball end of the shock absorber should move freely. This is how correct shock absorber compression should look like. Done. We will now screw the shock absorber into the wrong hole to show how its compression should not look like. In this case, the shock absorber is too far out, so that shock will not have enough force to give a model the desired clearance from the ground. If your shock absorber is too much or too little compressed, try to change the position of its mounting relative to the nominal one.